In this video, I'll show you how to quickly record a salary in Zoho Books. This simple process helps you keep your expenses accurate and your books up to date. Start by opening Zoho Books and going to the Purchases section on the left panel. Click Expenses, then hit the plus new button at the top right. This opens a new expense form where you log the salary payment. Under Expense Account, choose Salaries and Employee Wages so it's categorized correctly in your reports. Then, fill in the date, employee name and amount paid. You can also add a short note like monthly salary for October. Once you've reviewed everything, click Save. The salary will now appear in your expenses, keeping your financial records clean and organized. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a salary in Zoho Books. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Zoho tips.